Hi guys, Ormy here, playing some Ark Survival Evolved, and today I'm gonna show you how to build a taming pen. I got quite a few requests on how did I build my own, and this one right here in the Ark subreddit and Ark, and this is exactly what I'm gonna show you today. So first of all, let's see what we're gonna be doing today. This is the normal dinosaur gate. The whole pen is built from 8 dinosaur gates, and it's based on 3-level kind of system where you can drop your dino inside and you can shoot from the bottom level. There are windows in all of the angles, and then I have these little towers in every corner, so you can shoot from a bit higher ground. And there are also a few dinos which are actually able to hit you in this position. I think frog is one of them. So I created one more level, so you can actually climb on top of these to shoot from here, and it's actually really effective. Like, there are no dead corners to shoot the dinos, so you can get headshot from almost every single time. And yeah, that's about it. And I've done some preparations here already. I've laid down the foundations. If we check it from the air, it's 6 and 5 foundations. I thought it's 6 by 6, but it didn't really line up properly. That's actually the building in Ark. It's always never lining up, so just have to live with it. And like here we have 2 fence foundations on the edge of this one, and then 2 going in angle here, 2 here, 2 in angle, 2 straight, 2 angle, straight, angle. And the reason why I did it on thatched platforms is to, on thatched floors, is to first of all to find the proper place to put it, since our base has seriously uneven ground, so it took me again a while to find the place for it. And second is you can easily see the fence foundations, because if it's a wood one like this one here, let's replace this and this one, it's really hard to see when you're lining them up. So the thatched foundation is really easy to use here. So then we can just start basically replacing the thatched one with the material we want. You can either do it with wood or metal or stone, doesn't really matter. And since it's with the dinosaur gates, the bigger dinos are not gonna fit in here. I think the only dino which doesn't fit through this gate, which you can pick up with quets, is mammoth. I may be wrong with that one, but that one is quite easy to tame anyway, and there are beavers now, so they're not that useful anymore. And fast. Replace all of these, and we can get to work. I think I might have exactly the right one. Okay. And this line we don't actually need, but yeah, I'm gonna delete this. So it's gonna look real bad. This one, come on. And so the next after this, we're gonna throw our gates. I have all the stuff prepared, so this is basically what we're gonna use today. We have 8 dinosaur gates, so we're gonna take next. Then we have pillars, we have a few wooden walls, ramps, wooden railings, window frames, few extra foundations and wooden fence foundations, also ladders, gates and hatch frames for the towers so you can climb on top of them. So as you can see, this is a few tips that the dinosaur gates, even the behemoth gate, they're lining up, they're snapping on the foundations, so you can get them really nicely lining up. So let's start with this one. Let's see. Yep, that's about it. It's gonna be completely fine. Yep. Let's check the angle. It should be fine. If it's not, we're gonna run into a lot of trouble, but trial and error. That's building an arc. And this one right there, and this one actually right there. So the basics are already done, but now we are just gonna need the, let's have the gate. We don't need the foundations anymore. We can have the gate and the window frames. Can we still move? Nope. Let's have half. And this one I'm gonna put it facing there so it's happy. Alright. And then this is always really bad in Arc. So if you place this one here, this one there. So the bottom line, we're gonna place them on the foundations and we're gonna build the bottom part for the shooting. And I think this is not gonna line up. Oh, it actually is. Okay, that's great. Good. And this is going wrong way. Like, this is the crappy part of building an arc, and I think the whole gate is not aligned. So I think with this gate and this gate we're gonna have trouble. So let's see if I'm correct on that one. That's alright. Yeah, that's wrong. The whole gate is not aligned properly. But in this case it actually doesn't matter as long as the same hello. The same ones are actually aligning fine. So with E on the keyboard you can turn the pieces around like that. We can actually build a couple more of these. We can turn this one and turn that one. These are actually lining up completely fine. And then like that one and that one. And we will, of course, we're missing one. Every single time we are missing one. So let's have one. Yeah. Ah, that's the wrong one. So we'll just turn it, create new one, and put it like so. And that's not good at all. Holy crap. This actually happened with this one too. There was one piece of wall which didn't line up at all. So hopefully that's not gonna happen here more. Yep, there's the piece. This piece doesn't line up with the rest and I can't make it align fine. See, this one is going wrong, but this one is going right. So that's extremely annoying. And I fought with it like half an hour yesterday and I just left it. The only thing what we can do, we can place it, turn it and have an awesome gap in the gate. That's... I hope Arc devs could do something about it because it's really frustrating to have like this one piece are not aligning with the rest of the stuff. So let's continue. Next up, let's take our guy, fly him closer to the door so we can actually come inside. Next up, I think we're gonna build the towers. So we're gonna need some pillars. We're gonna throw that one out. Let's take all the pillars we have. And here you can see we have couple snapping points. We have here and here. So if we throw, we just have to throw this one here, and we're gonna need 2 pillars for that. And I'm actually forgetting to create wooden ceilings. So let's fast craft some. Good that I have our beaver ready to go. And let's craft a few, because we're gonna need to put those on the pillars so we can make the floor for them. So let's have the ceilings here. Let's throw it in here. And this is actually like the first time I can build it on either way or have it here. So if I put it in the middle, then we can have like straight and it's straight inside, and that's looking pretty good. And yep, that's staying. That's fine. That's actually fantastic. And let's do the same for the rest. See, this was also the problem that I had yesterday. I had to place this one and this one before I could place the pillar in the middle. So this is also the reason why this one, you see, it's not aligning at all. It's completely misaligned. I couldn't figure out how to do it yesterday, but these two are going completely fine. So in here you should just build the 3 pillars first and then place the middle one. If you put just the edge ones like this one and this one, then you can't make it align. So build all 3 and then build the middle one, the higher one, and then you should be good to go. Just demolish these, and that's aligning perfectly. And then have this one. You see, I can't make it in the middle here, but if I place this one and this one, then I can place in the middle, because the pillars are actually snapping to each other. So you see, I can place this one here and it's snapping all the way here. So that's the quick tip with the building with the pillars. And then we can place this one on top. And this one is actually becoming a lot more nice looking than my previous one. And then same thing here. Nope, that's not the way to go. Should have it here and then in the middle, another one in the middle, this one there, demolish, and voila, that's looking pretty good. And now we can create the walls on it. So I'm gonna throw this one out, have some of that inside. Should have the walls. I think it's too heavy for me to put them at once, so we're gonna put one there, one there, one there, one, nope, one here, like that. And we can actually put it all the way like this. And then we can build a ramp on it. So if we take it, we can have a ramp. I have somewhere there. We can take that one. it's stuck. Come on. Come on. Thank you. And then build this one right here. Have a wall. Have another wall. And then we're gonna need the hatch frames and ladders. Actually, I think we are gonna need 2 walls. Like that. And hatch frame like there. And ladders can go before. So let's have a unified version here. There we go. And 1 down. And this is looking really good already. It's completely aligned and it's already fully functional. So let's build another one. Have the walls, wall, 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 wall. Nope. Take that one down. We don't need it there. Yep. And we're gonna take the ramps. 1 ramp, 2. We need more walls. Have some. There we go. One, 2, and 1, 2. Then we have the hatch frame and the ladder. We had it. We had it. There we go. 2 down. Take this guy and fly him here. Make that one. You're not helping. Make this one. This one. This one. And that one. We need more walls. Really good advice for building an arc is that always build extra. It never goes as you want. Not a single time. There's always some errors, something, everything can go wrong. Especially with the snapping system. So always be prepared to rebuild everything you have done. That's the biggest thing I've learned in the past 200 hours what I've played the game. So this one is now already done. We can just jump right down. This one. This one. This one have more walls. Hopefully we're having enough. We are 1 wall down, so let's see. Yep. We'll put the ramp right there. And wall 2 and 2. And then we'll put the hatch frame and this one, and these are all done. Now you have your shooting places ready and set. And only thing what we are now missing are the railings from here, so let's do that next one. We're gonna have all the stone railings, and we can't. Can we even have Yeah, we can have this. Yeah, we can move. Since we have a wall here, we should be able to place these quite fine. Yep. These are matching very beautifully here. So we can. It's taking 10 per window, basically. And these are the wooden railings, so they will match up really nicely here. And then we have one more here. We have this. Okay, and 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why did that break? I have no idea. And then I immediately saw we ran into trouble here. See, you can't place it. You can't place it there. And that might be because of this wall. If we tear that down, yeah, now we can place it, but we can't place it there. So that was a mistake. Should have put these first. We have it, and yep, can't put it there either, but I don't think that makes a really big difference there. Here it makes. I want to make at least these. And another. Come on, we had it. There we go. And since these are coming a bit inside, I can't place a new one there. And this was also a mistake that I did yesterday. I couldn't place these the towers properly because I already had put these. So definitely, if you're gonna follow this build, make the towers before you place these. That way you can have the towers line up properly, and the towers are actually more important than the railings, the cage loop. So take this one. Now we can place these again here. There we go. And now this one. And yeah. One. And one. And yeah. That's the best thing about that. And now we're almost done. The biggest part of this was to actually gather all the resources. Took me like an hour, and our server has doubled the gather rate, so that's pretty alright. And since most of it is wood, it's not that hard resource to gather after all. Let's take that one down. Do we have any more wooden walls? No, we don't, but I can always make more with this one. Have that one there, have that one there. Take some of those, have some wooden walls. Yeah, and make all of them. And while we are building, we can do this one and this one. Should have enough walls now to fix what we did there. Nothing seems to be breaking, so it's always a good sign. This one and last one. No, we're missing 4. Alright. Take our beaver guy here, take this, we're missing 4 walls. So we're just 4, yeah. run into here. One, two, three, and four. Yeah. Ah, we're missing one here. Yeah, I misplaced it. So. There. Nope. Sometimes I really hate art. And that's one of those situations. Alright. So only thing what we are now missing are some ramps. So let me take some more of these. Can I carry all the 20? I actually can, which is nice. And the ramps actually should have like 2 snapping points. Easiest see here. At this point they don't have, so we can pretty easily just place them around. These actually serve absolutely no purpose except on the front door to get dinosaurs inside. But I'm gonna circle it around anyway because it's looking a bit more nice. Ah, here we go. We can clearly see that it has 2 points of snapping. One is a bit higher and one is a bit lower. The difference is not huge. This one actually had 3 and it went absolutely on the wrong one. I want to have it at the lowest one, so that one, yeah. So now it's lining up a lot more better with the end side, but for some reason, oh, we had it green. I saw it. It's there. No. And this is really annoying. You can see it's clearly on green, but something is obstructing it. Can we place here? We can't even place here. It might be the gate. But actually we can put it there. So this is a bit... This takes a bit accuracy to get it right. And patience. A lot of patience. But here we can't, even though it's green, we can't put it. And that's just something you can't, you just have to live with it. There's nothing you can do about it. Except to build higher, so you're not running into such trouble. And see, these are going actually inside the foundation here. And I'm pretty sure here we can. Alright, that's awesome. But here, see, they're exactly same. This side we could, this side we can't. It's already so close to the ground though, so it doesn't really matter. But this one is actually higher than here, but here we can build. That absolutely makes absolutely no sense. And this one is... None of this makes actually any sense. And it might be the other ramps or the pillars which might be obstructing it, but it's not a big deal. Oh, and we are missing actually one little touch, what we are missing here. Let's have some ladders. Can we place ladders here? We should have the possibility to do so, since they are a bit outside. See, this one would be fine, but it's blocked by this piece which didn't fit. But here we can, which is again stupid and weird, but at least we have one place to put ladders in case you're shooting and you fall inside. This is really annoying to be honest, but at least we have one. And yeah, I think that's about it. There's really nothing more to it than this one. And now you can just take your animal, what you're going to be taming, drop it inside. Yep. Go in, climb one of the towers, and start blasting away. Yeah. This has been Ormy, and we have been playing Ark Survival Evolved, and we just built this beautiful taming pen. I hope you guys will find this building really useful. Leave a comment on what you think about it, and we'll see you in the next video.